Water from Rain. Narrated by Marcio Catalano. Written by Pam Holden. All people and animals need water. Water is good to drink. Plants need water too. It makes things grow. All of the water in the world comes from rain. Rain comes down from clouds. Where does the water go? It goes down into the ground. Some rain makes puddles. Some rain goes into lakes and little streams. The streams take water away to big rivers. The rivers take water away to the sea. The hot sun makes some water into steam. The steam goes up from the sea. It makes clouds up in the sky. The clouds make rain. The rain comes down. It goes back into the ground. Cold rain makes hail. Hail is made of ice. Snow is made from very cold rain. People get all of their water from rain. Glossary. Clouds. White patches floating in the sky. Hail. Small hard balls of ice falling like rain. Puddles. Small pools of water from rain. River. Big stream of water flowing to the sea. Snow. Frozen rain falling in soft pieces. Steam. Gas from water getting hot. Stream. Small river.